Alright guys, what's up? Jumping into the tutorial. Yeah, starting off with a clean face. Yeah, looking kind of crazy and stuff. Don't mind that. But yeah, so we're starting off with the eyes today. I did my brows off camera as usual because I do have a brow tutorial. If you're interested in my eyebrow tutorial, that's linked in the description box. So I'm just kind of taking whatever concealer is left on my concealer brush that I use to clean up my brows to kind of base my eyelids. I didn't want to overdo it. And I'm just showing you guys that I do have some new brushes that I added to my collection. They are the Stila brushes, and they are just amazing. I love the feeling, I love the quality so far. And this one that I'm showing you is the crease blender brush, and I'm taking my black Radiance contour kit, and this is I'm taking the contour shade in my crease, and I'm using the brush to diffuse it, and it worked wonderfully. I loved it. I moved on to my 35OM Morphe palette, and I'm taking the dark brown there that I showed you guys. I'm kind of building up the transition color in that area because I wanted to do a cut crease today, but with neutral tones. I don't know, I've just been loving neutral vibes since lately a lot. But I really wanted to do a crease, as you guys saw from the title as well. You see that I'm doing a summer glow look, so I really wanted this look to be like very glowy and snatched. And I'm taking the same brown to kind of diffuse the end right there. Now I'm going into my Gabriella's Cosmetics Metallics eyeshadow palette. Let me tell you, this palette is bomb, because these are literally like glitter eyeshadows. That's how they appear, you know, when you apply them. They're beautiful and they're so pigmented. And I'm going in with that shade there. I'll put the exact name of that eyeshadow in the description box so you guys can check it out for sure. All right, but like, listen, I love the way it glide on to the lid. I'm going to add a little of this NYX pigment on the inner portion of my lid, just to kind of give things a little bit of, you know, graduation. And you know, yeah. Now we're gonna pause on the eyes and move on to the face. And I'm using my LA Girls Pro Prep primer, and I make sure that I prime my smile lines because I do not like when they get, you know, too visible after a while of wearing my makeup. So this step really does help with that. So I'm just going on to highlighting, and I took Golden Beige from Sistar Cosmetics and my Kat Von D concealer in Deep, and I mixed the two concealers, and yeah, I'm loving it. I'm just going in on all the areas I want to bring forward as usual with these shades. And then I went under the eyes though with Golden Beige only. And then for the nose bridge, the center of the forehead and the chin, I took only Deep because I didn't want it to be as light. Okay, so yeah, kind of wanted to tone that area down a little bit more. And then I move on to just setting the areas, the highlighted portions, of course, with my banana powder. Yes, my Sacha Buttercup powder, sorry. As usual, balancing out the rest of my face with my Milani pressed powder. I move on to adding a little, you know, contour on my cheekbones. I went on my lower lash line with the same brown shadow I used earlier. And then I kind of sprayed my face with my Milani setting spray, and I tap this in with my damp beauty sponge because this helps everything to look more like skin after adding all those powders, and I absolutely love this step. Yeah. And after doing this, I apply my highlighter, which is obviously from Artist Couture. Duh, like you guys know, I love Artist Couture. Yeah, and I love applying this after the setting spray because it makes everything look like super skin like, and it just melts down into the skin even more, as opposed to if I didn't set it with that spray. So I really love applying. I've been really loving applying these products in this specific order. I'm wearing Fusion lashes. These were done by a professional. Of course, she said not to put mascara on it, but I had to. Like, I just had to. And I did not apply any extra lashes for the look. Now I move on to lips, and I'm taking Nudish from Lena Cosmetics in the Baby Matte collection. Lined it with a brown liner, which is brown suede from Jordanna, and I topped it off with some clear gloss. Now I know you can see the little dry patchy area there on the sides of my mouth, and I went in later on with the spray again just to, you know, kind of tap that in a bit more so it wasn't that like as dry, you know. I also decided to line my upper lash line, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. That is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope I didn't bore you. And I think this is a perfect look for, you know, a summer day when you want to go out and have lunch, but slay. Like, this is not like, oh, simple daytime look because of the cut crease. So this is definitely, you know, for one of those, you know, daytime events, or, you know, daytime date, or you could even wear this in the evening time. Who am I kidding? It just depends on how you're feeling and slay. Oh, by the way, if you're interested in the wig I'm wearing, it's the Big Density Milan curl from rpghair.com, and the link to it will be in the description box, along with the direct link to my page on RPG Hair website. Go ahead and check it out and make use of my discount codes. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, I'm Girl Petite. Bye.